everyone, it's Todd here from Baking with Foxhole Kitchen. Join me today as I bring you a taste of Pittsburgh and show you how to make Copycat Primanti Brothers sandwiches. Only on Baking with Foxhole Kitchen. Hello to all my Foxhole fam. I'm Todd, and welcome to Baking with Foxhole Kitchen. Well, top of the show, I said we're going to learn how to make Copycat Primanti Brothers sandwiches. As many of you guys know at home, Dave and I live about 2 hours east of Pittsburgh, and with baseball season in full swing, we thought it'd be a good idea to bring you the taste of Pittsburgh with a Copycat Primanti Brothers sandwiches. They're simple, easy, and of course, so good. So if you're ready, then let's have some fun. Alright, to start off our sandwich, we're going to go ahead and prep our vinegar for our coleslaw. I got half a cup of apple cider vinegar. And how much oil do we got here, Dave?
A quarter cup, 4 tablespoons.
Okay. And we are just going to mix this together just a little bit and bring it to a boil.
Okay.
Okay, now that we've got our vinegar boiling here, I'm going to go ahead and add 6 tablespoons of sugar here.
Okay.
And we're just going to mix it until it just gets nice and dissolved here.
Okay.
Alright, so I think we definitely got our sugar nice and dissolved here. So I'm going to go ahead and take this off the heat. And we're just going to let the mixture cool completely here.
Okay.
Alright, let's go ahead and do it. Alright, now that our vinegar has cooled and Dave has graciously cut me up an onion here, well, we're going to go ahead and combine our coleslaw mix. 14 ounces to be exact.
Yep.
Kind of flatten that out here a little bit. And next up, take half of our small onion, sliced thin.
Okay.
Our vinegar and sugar mixture that we made before. We're going to go ahead and hopefully get this container open here. I love those airtight seals.
Mm-hmm. Put that in, okay.
And then a little bit of salt and pepper. Look pretty good there, Dave?
Yeah.
Okay. Then we're just going to mix this all together here until everything's combined. We're going to put it in the refrigerator for an hour.
Okay.
Alright, Dave, question for you.
Mm.
What are we missing here for our Primanti's Copycat sandwich?
Oh, well, we need French fries.
Yeah, we need fresh cut fries. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and cut some potatoes down here. Just enough to give you enough for a sandwich.
Oh, yeah.
Might want to switch over to the other knife here once I get this started.
Okay.
I mean, I'm not no expert at this, so, but yeah, we're gonna just kind of cut these down into what you would even consider looking like French fries. I think I've kind of got a good start with them.
You're getting there.
And then we're gonna get our deep fry oil ready.
Okay.
And we're gonna make some French fries.
Sounds good.
All right, let's do it. Alright guys, you ready to make some French fries here? As I said, you really can't have a Primanti sandwich without fresh cut fries. So, as you guys saw before, I did cut up some potatoes into some fresh cut French fries. And I'm going to go ahead and fill my basket here with our fries. And I'm just going to go ahead and dunk them in our deep fryer here. And let them cook off, and then I have my own special seasoning that I'm going to be using for the fries to make them complete.
Okay.
Alright guys, one final step here. before we assemble everything with our sandwich. I went ahead and put a little bit of oil in our pan here. Could just take enough roast beef here for a sandwich. Try to get as much as I can here without making too much of a mess. What do you think, David? A little bit more or not?
That's about right for the size of bread you got, so.
Okay. Yeah, I already went ahead and cut 4 slices of French bread here. And they're going to be about 1 inch thick. And on one side of the bread, you want to put mayonnaise on it.
Mm-hmm.
So, while the meat's cooking here, we're just going to flip it over, make sure it's nice and warm on both sides, and then we're going to top it with 2 slices of Swiss cheese, and then we'll start building our sandwich.
Okay.
Alright guys, look how good and golden and cheesy and melty that cheese is doing here.
Oh yeah.
We're going to go ahead and take this off here. If I can get a hold of it here, we might be in... Yeah, I think I did a pretty good job there.
There you go. You got it.
Maybe.
Okay.
Alright, now that we've got our meat and cheese on the bread here, let's go ahead and get some tomato. What do you think, Dave?
Yeah, just 1 or 2 small ones. You don't need a lot.
Okay.
Okay.
Put 2 there. Our coleslaw. You put a little or as much as you like on it.
Mm-hmm.
We'll put a little bit of French fries on it. Looking good, Dave?
Looking great.
Okay. Bread. And toothpick. I think we're going here. Now it's time for my favorite part, the taste test. So let's see how we did here. Got my little end here. Simple, easy, and of course, so good. Great way to knock yourself off your feet. Enjoy. Wrapping up today, I want to thank you again for joining me and encourage you to check out our friends and support channels listed in the description below. But before I go, always remember, it's good times and good food on Baking with Foxhella Kitchen. I'll see y'all soon. If you like this video or any of our other videos,
Be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons and stay tuned for future shows.